What a day. What a day. Just want to talk about today's trade on the ES, the US equities, and some of my favorite US pairs in the foreign exchange market. I just want to recap. Um, First of I do not want to get rid of these uh, all these markers or things I've created here. I've mapped out or created whatever. So I'm just gonna pull out a similar um, currency, or I mean, S&P is the same thing as ES, but these are like offered by for forex brokers, DCFD. So I got that. I'm getting NAS, same thing, and Dow Jones is on US 30. Yep, there we go. Let me just go for US 30. Yeah, with this. So yeah, no, I don't like this at all because there's no gap on the futures. We shall see. Let me get somebody else. SP500, Perks.com. Nice. So, okay. So, these are alternative to these futures brokers price. So, I'm just going to start from scratch and then, talk about the high time frame. It was bullish. I mean, this my stuff. It was bullish, right? Bullish. Although we had a little decline, and that decline was just simply to what test a previous order block. And I like to check the weekly first and foremost. So yeah, we're testing this order block here. Look at this. Multiple things. Yeah, look at the bottom of this order block here and look at this whole order block. We're still in that range, right, of that order block. So the price was still bullish. It was only retracing and go to the higher time frame. You're probably sure because I've done the settings to only up on the weekly. And I like to keep it that way. So, but I can still figure out some other blocks on the daily time frame, and you can see this candle here, this whole I'm meant for this candle here is a bullish order block. You can see how price rallies away from that candle. And this right here, look at that rally away. And this hold down candle, look at that rally away. And this candle here, look at that rally away. And then price dipped into this other block here. It's ugly because of this longest week. I don't like that, but we can use this one as well as a reference point since this long week is. So I'm using the lower end of that candle. And if you don't understand how to use other blocks, always refer to STT's YouTube library. That's where I learned my other blocks from. And I'll do this hindsight, and I've done a lot of back tests in hindsight. So seeing them occur several times on how price acts around these areas, right? Will let you know that, okay, in the future or live markets, the same thing is bound to happen. So if the statistics prove that, oh, once there's an order block, a bullish order block, and we're still the price is bullish, it's supposed to respect that order block. And if you learn how to recognize it, I mean that's a bonus right there. So that's a point of contact of this order block. And once if you notice once price reverse from an area, there's always it's gonna be a swing low, a swing high. So if price reverses, this is a swing high, this is a swing low, here's a swing low as well. So in from this swing low, we're gonna ask yourself, okay, what was price bouncing away from? I'm seeing a previous an old high here, right? An old high there, and we had a swing low formed. Price reversed here, and it's at a bearish order block. One, two, three, is swing high. So every time there's always corners turning right, we're expecting swing high or swing low at every turn or corner. So if this order block is going to push price away, right? I'm going to expect a swing low to form. So if you know what a swing low is, whereby the middle candle is lower than the candle to its left and to its right. So that's a swing low. And after a swing low, the fourth candle, is most times higher, or fourth to fifth candle should go higher. A normal swing low, right? So, and sometimes they might be on the same level, but it will never take out the middle candle. So looking at that, one, two, three, and how do we trade the fourth candle? That is when optimal trade entry comes into place. And if you don't know about optimal trade entry, which is OTE for short, is on um, ICT's YouTube videos. Go learn it. That's what I use. So here, I did not take this trade long to the upside, but I'm just going to backtest and see what happened. I'm just reviewing this for future purposes. So that's a swing low right there. One, two, three, confirmed. And these are daily candles, right? A day has gone by. So the fourth candle, I'm expecting the fourth day to take out this third candle here, this one, two, three, this third candle's high, and gets the previous day's high again, or other highs in its way. And I was aiming for the 3,800, which is an institutional price, round figure. Yeah, expecting price to get there, besides of this buy stop here. So that's the buy side objective, and we can look at the where we can get a good discount at this other block. So when I've seen this for the first time. You know, I skipped to this candle because of the longest wick. I'm looking at the body of this candle, and that's what I'm going for. The body of the candle, why? Because the majority of the volume is in the body of the candle. Although we might find something full on the 4 hour or 1 hour, and we can go to the lower time frame. Oh, look at the higher time frame stuff showing up on the time frame data instead. So here we go. That was our daily order block here. Let me see this guy here. Ooh. I'll take that out. So look at our order block here, and then look at this body of this candle here, the body. Now I can either just move this here, or I can keep this other one intact. Let me do that. Keep the other one intact, streamline it properly, and then here we go. The body of this candle, you can see it's runs perfect with that body. Shoot. It runs perfect with that body. So this is the whole move here.